大家好，我叫 AJ 老师。今天我们的零基础成人英语，我们就在第64页，而且我们一开始的时候会做一些阅读。今天的阅读文章就是 Why the kangaroo has a pouch。什么是一个 pouch 呢？什么是一个 kangaroo 呢？什么是 why？ 什么是 the？ 什么是 has？ 什么是 a？ 那因为这是一个英语课，所以我早就需要开始说英语，是不是？好的 Now I'll start. Okay, why the kangaroo has a pouch means 为什么这个 kangaroo 有一个 pouch? A pouch is like a pocket.A 口袋 or a bag, a 袋子. A kangaroo has a pouch right here. Did you know that? Oh, wait, whoa. Look at this picture here. What is that? Is that a pouch? Oh, yeah, it is. Okay, but that's weird. I have never seen a kangaroo with that kind of a pouch. Let's read this story and figure out what in the world is going on? All right, before we read, I want to go over a couple of words. One morning, a mummy kangaroo's near the river. Okay, she is near Fujin, the river. The river is this water. She's playing with her joey.A joey is a baby kangaroo. Okay, so this is a joey. A baby rabbit is called a bunny. A baby cat is called a kitten. A baby kangaroo is called a joey? Okay. Oh, what is that? The kangaroo looks and... But what's that noise? The kangaroo looks and sees a very old wombat.That's cute. The wombat is crying. Oh no. I wonder why. What's the matter? The kind kangaroo asks. Okay, what kind of a kangaroo is it? Is it a mean kangaroo or is it a kind kangaroo? It's kind. 它很善良. It's a 很善良的 kangaroo. So,I can't see, and I need to eat and drink. I haven't got any friends to help me, the wombat answers. What? He can't see? He's got no eyes? Ayo, that's bad. I'm your friend, the kangaroo says. Hold my tail. The wombat holds the kangaroo's tail, and she takes him to the river. Here's the river. Here, now you can drink.She says. Then she takes the wombat to the greenest grass and says, Here, now you can eat. What does the wombat eat? He eats the greenest grass. He likes grass, and he likes green grass. The kangaroo's kind to the old wombat all day.When it's late, she says goodbye to him, and she looks for her baby. Oh no, where's the baby? Where is he? She can't find him. Joey, 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 where are you? The kangaroo shouts. Shouts means yells. Han, tahan, ah! It's okay. He's asleep below the biggest tree. The biggest tree. The kind kangaroo finds him. Zhao dao ta finds him.And goes to sleep too. The next day, she wakes up and sees a pouch. She puts her joey in the pouch. Then she sees the old wombat. Look, this pouch is brilliant! 好精彩! But where does it come from? 它是从哪里来的? It's my present to you. It's a gift, a present.You're the kindest kangaroo that I know. 最 kind. The wombat says, and from that day, all mummy kangaroos have pouches to carry their babies. OMG. Let's listen to the story.
Why the kangaroo has a pouch.
One morning, a mummy kangaroo's near the river. She's playing with her joey. A joey's a baby kangaroo. But what's that noise? The kangaroo looks and sees a very old wombat. The wombat's crying. "What's the matter?" the kind kangaroo asks. "I can't see, and I need to eat and drink. I haven't got any friends to help me," the wombat answers. "I'm your friend," the kangaroo says. "Hold my tail." The wombat holds the kangaroo's tail, and she takes him to the river. "Here, now you can drink," she says. Then she takes the wombat to the greenest grass and says, "Here, now you can eat." The kangaroo's kind to the old wombat all day. When it's late, she says goodbye to him, and she looks for her baby. Where is he? She can't find him. "Joey! Joey! Where are you?" the kangaroo shouts. "It's okay. He's asleep below the biggest tree." The kind kangaroo finds him and goes to sleep too. The next day, she wakes up and sees a pouch. She puts her joey in the pouch. Then she sees the old wombat. "Look, this pouch is brilliant. But where does it come from?" "It's my present to you. You're the kindest kangaroo that I know," the wombat says. And from that day, all mummy kangaroos have pouches to carry their babies.
Wow. That is the story of why kangaroos have pouches. From that day, 从那天以后, all mummy kangaroos have pouches to carry their babies. Neat. All right. Let's talk about the questions. How does the wombat feel at the start of the story? Well, let's go to the start of the story. Story 一开始的时候, at the start of the story, how does the wombat look like he feels? He looks sad. Yeah, he is sad. He is crying. He's not having a good time at all. How does the wombat feel when the kangaroo helps him? Kangaroo helps him 的时候, how does the wombat feel? He feels as happy as can be. Why does the wombat give the kangaroo the pouch? The wombat gave the kangaroo the pouch. 他给了他. Now, why? Because the kangaroo helped the wombat. So the wombat helps the kangaroo. That's why. And how does the kangaroo feel when the wombat gives her the pouch? Okay, when the wombat gives her the pouch. Wombat gives her the pouch 的时候, 就是 when. How does the kangaroo feel? I think she feels really happy. Nice. Who is kind to you? Are you kind to people? What do you do? Okay, let me think. Who is kind to me? My mom is kind to me. My son is kind to me. My friends are kind to me. My cats are kind to me. 他们对我都很好，都很善良. Who's kind to you? Are you kind to people? I am very kind to people. I am kind to this little rabbit. Hi, little rabbit. I love you. Anyways, I'm kind to my mom, I'm kind to my dad, I'm kind to my grandpa, kind to my grandpa, kind to my bati, kumbatagipo, habatabadupi, hibatabadepo. What about you? What do you do that's kind? I help people. When I see an old grandma crossing the street, oh, I help her. When I see somebody who fell down, I help them. What do you do? Tell me about a time that you have helped someone do something. All right? For now, let's move on. We're on page 66. We will do some questions about that reading in the next class. For now, we're on 66. Where are Mary and Jack? What are they doing? Mary and Jack are at the... This must be Mary, this must be Jack. Looks like they're at the zoo. And what are they doing? They are looking at pandas. They are looking at pandas. Okay, match the questions with the answers. What do you want to see after this? Okay. Are the bears near the lions? Can you see the penguins? So these are 3 questions. These are 3 answers. No, I can't see them. Let's go and see the bats. Yes, they are. All right, 哪一个 question 配对哪一个 answer? Which one matches with which? Stop the video, do it, then come back. What do you want to see after this? No, I can't see them? 我们看完这个的时候，你要去看什么? No, I can't see them. Yes, they are. Or let's go and see the bats. 看完这些的时候要看什么？我们要去看 see the bats 吧? I think B goes with it. Are the bears near the lions? Yes, they are. Or no, I can't see them. 其实两个都是可以的. So let's skip this one and let's go to number 3. Can you see the penguins? Yes, they are. Can you see the penguins? No, I can't see them, 才对. And now we know that 2 is this one. Are the bears near the lions? Yes, they are. That was pretty easy. Number 3Z. Read what Mary says and Jack's 3 answers. Which 2 are wrong? Mary says, bats are funny. I like them. Jack says, I think there are 10. 我觉得有10个. There are 有时候的意思是有，我觉得有10个. Do you like bats? Or so do I. Okay, bats are funny. I like them. I think there are 10. 你可以这样说，但是 that's called changing the subject. 它改变了他们说话的话题. So I don't think it's that. Bats are funny. I like them. Do you like bats? Jack, are you stupid? 他刚才说了 I like bats. 你为什么要问他? So bats are funny. I like them. So do I. 我也喜欢. Yes, it's that. It's C. I like them too. So do I. 同一个意思. Why are the 2 answers wrong? Write a letter in each box. We know Mary likes them. These are wrong. Why? Why is do you like bats wrong? Is it wrong because we know Mary likes them? Or is it wrong because Mary doesn't say how many? Well, we know Mary likes them, so do you like bats is a stupid question. 它是很笨的一个问题. That's why. Why is I think there are 10 the wrong answer? because Mary doesn't say how many. Mary 不是说有多少个 Jack 为什么要说他觉得有多少个呢？ Read and think, choose the best answer. Mary says, why don't we get a drink? Jack says, because we haven't got a drink. All right, why don't we get a drink? 第一是不是我们为什么没有一个饮料？不是这个。Why don't we get a drink? 第一是我们要点一个饮料吧。Why don't we? 有时候的意思就是我们要这样做，我建议我们这样做吧。All right, why don't we get a drink? 所以我们不要说 because we haven't got a drink. 我们要说 that's a good idea. 好的，我也想要一个 drink. 我们点一个 drink 吧。And number 3, we mustn't give drinks to the animals. 我们一定不要把饮料给 animals 喝。这个没有道理。这个不是有关系的。All right. Mary says, there's Mom. She's waving at us. Waving is this. Jack, yes, she wants to go. Yes, let's tell Mom. Yes, that is Mom's. Okay. Why is Mommy waving at us? Okay. There's Mom. She's waving at us. 哪里有妈妈？她在挥手。Yes, let's tell her. Tell her what? 我们要告诉妈妈什么？ Tell 的意思是告诉。这个没有道理。Yes, that's Mom's. Okay. 我们可以说 Yes, that is Mom. 是的，她就是妈妈。但是这个是妈妈的，就是 Yes, that's Mom's 的意思。所以，哪里有妈妈？这个她就是妈妈的。妈妈的什么？她没有说妈妈的什么。所以我觉得答案就是 Yes, she wants to go. There's Mom. She's waving at us. Yeah, she wants to go. 妈妈正在挥手。是的，是因为她想要走。Right? Let us see what's over here. Act out an animal documentary. All right, this will be your homework. I want you to write about 4 animals. Tell me, what can each animal do? What does each animal eat? Is it an herbivore, a carnivore, or an omnivore? And which animal is your favorite and why? All right, that should be easy enough for you to do. As for now, I think we're done with the video. So what I want to do is let you see a pretty cool video. Remember the wombat? Well, he's cute. And it reminded me of a different animal called the chinchilla. 我看到这个 wombat 的时候，它让我回想另外一个叫做 chinchilla 的动物。Let's watch a video of a chinchilla taking a bath. It's gonna be so cute. All right, so this is the video. I see a wooden bucket, and they're putting some dust in it. Dust is 灰尘, dust or sand. There's the cute chinchilla. Oh my God, he's cute. He's too cute. This makes me want to squeeze his fur. He is rolling around like a cute chinchilla. Why do you think he is doing this? Why is he rolling in the dust? The answer is he is taking a bath. When chinchillas and mice and hamsters are dirty, they use sand to clean themselves. They don't use water because they would be too cold. They use sand. He's so cute. I like him. Do you want to take a bath in sand? Just watching this makes it hard to breathe. I'm like, because it looks like the sand is going to get in my lungs. 我看的时候，我觉得我不要呼吸，因为我看到 Where's the chinchilla? Oh, he disappeared. All right, I'm gonna disappear too. I will see you next time.